Samsung's Galaxy S25 series has just received its very first software update since the release of One UI 8.0. This new update brings the October 2025 security patch, improving system stability and addressing multiple security vulnerabilities. The rollout has started for international variants of the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25, and Galaxy S25 Ultra, beginning in Thailand, with more regions expected to follow in the coming days. The update package is about 561 MB in size and comes with firmware version S93xBX6BF. It's designed to enhance security and fix known issues from the previous build. While there aren't any new features introduced with this specific update, its main purpose is to strengthen the overall reliability of the phones after the major Android 16-based One UI 8.0 upgrade. For users who want to install it manually, the process is quite simple. Just head to Settings, open Software Update, and tap on Download and Install. Once installed, the Galaxy S25 lineup will be running the latest Android security patch for October 2025. This new release is only the beginning. Samsung's next big plan for the S25 series is the rollout of One UI 8.5, which has already been spotted in testing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Early leaks reveal that One UI 8.5 won't just bring cosmetic improvements. It will also introduce useful performance and battery enhancements that make everyday use smoother and more efficient. One of the standout features found in the leaked firmware is something called Network Battery Saver. This clever addition aims to extend battery life by intelligently limiting network usage when the phone detects that it isn't being actively used. For example, during hours when the user is asleep or away from the device, this feature automatically reduces unnecessary network activity, preventing background apps from consuming too much power. This function is made possible through Personal Data Intelligence, a system already built into Samsung's ecosystem. Personal Data Intelligence uses artificial intelligence to study how a user interacts with their phone, tracking patterns like when it's typically used, which apps are open most frequently, and what times of day the phone tends to stay idle. Using that data, the device can predict when to activate Network Battery Saver to conserve energy without affecting performance during active hours. According to the leaked code, the feature includes several smart behaviors. One string of code explains, save battery by limiting network performance when your phone isn't likely to be used, such as when you're sleeping. Another string notes that users can manage which apps and services have access to Personal Data Intelligence directly from the Settings menu. This means users maintain control over privacy while still benefiting from extended battery life. In addition to energy-saving features, One UI 8.5 will likely bring small but meaningful visual updates across the interface. Expect refinements in animations, layout consistency, and system icons that make the software feel even smoother and more premium. These subtle changes are aimed at providing a cleaner experience without completely redesigning the interface users are already familiar with. While the current Galaxy S25 update is primarily focused on security, it serves as a bridge between the existing One UI 8.0 and the upcoming One UI 8.5. Samsung typically rolls out such monthly security patches to ensure its flagship devices remain protected from newly discovered vulnerabilities. For now, this October patch reinforces the software foundation in preparation for the larger upgrade expected soon. As for the One UI 8.5 release timeline, reports suggest it will officially debut alongside the Galaxy S26 series, expected in February 2026. Once the S26 lineup is launched, Samsung will likely begin rolling out the update to eligible devices, including the Galaxy S25, S25 11, S25 Ultra, in the weeks that follow. This update will likely mark one of Samsung's biggest software improvements before Android 17 arrives later in 2026. Between stronger battery performance, smarter AI integration, and ongoing security updates, Galaxy users can expect their devices to feel faster, more efficient, and better protected than ever. To summarize, the Galaxy S25 series is now receiving its first post-One UI 8.0 update, bringing the October 2025 security patch that enhances protection and prepares the phones for the next major upgrade, One UI 8.5. With features like Network Battery Saver powered by Personal Data Intelligence, Samsung is taking another big step towards smarter, longer, lasting devices that adapt to user habits.